In this lesson, you will learn about the number 4. 4 is spelled F-O-U-R. Here are 4 red circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red circles. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So to make the number 4, we start off going straight down and then across, and then we jump up to the line and we go straight down. So there are 3 strokes: to the middle, across, jump up, and go straight down. Let's try that again. Straight down to the middle, go across, jump up to the top, and go straight down. Let's try without the numbers on there. We start here, down to the middle, straight across, jump to the top, and go straight down. Dropped. Down to the middle, straight across, jump to the top, and go straight down. Try another one. Down to the middle, straight across, jump to the top, and go straight down. Down to the middle, straight across, jump to the top, and go straight down. 4. That's how we write the number 4. Oftentimes you will see the number 4 looking differently, looking like this. This is a different way that sometimes you will see 4. There are 4 animals here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this 4 means the same thing as this 4. There's another example of that 4. This is the way we write it, but you may see it like this. That's the end of our example on the number 4.